Some rain too.
It felt like summer, just
It did.
a summertime day with clouds and high humidity right off the Gulf of Mexico. That feels like being at the beach without the benefits of being at the beach. That humidity has fired off some thunderstorms in northeast Alabama over the last few hours. And while all this action has missed Birmingham, there's still quite a bit of lightning happening here around Cherokee County. 20 lightning strikes in the last 15 minutes. And some of those are the kind that strike out of the top of the cloud, and they can really make for some damage down at the ground too. And the worst of this is now passing to the east of Cedar Bluff and east of the Northwoods community on the northeast side of Center. Chestnut Grove had some rain a little while ago, but now it's over toward Alexis and Galesville, and then up Highway 68 in the direction of Broomtown and Jamestown. The heaviest part of it's actually already over into Georgia along Highway 20 in West Georgia and tracking away from the Alabama state line. So pretty soon things are going to settle down there in Cherokee County. Otherwise, here are a couple of showers around, but that's about it for the rest of this evening. So for tonight, an isolated shower is a possibility. Don't think we're going to get too much rain out of this. Warm and muggy in the morning, a brief shower. It's just that humid that it won't take much for a little brief shower to develop here and there. Could see a spotty thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, but we start to lose some of that spotty hit or miss wording as we work through tomorrow night. Our next big round of storms, look at the timeline here, late Wednesday night into Thursday. Strong wind gusts, large hail, frequent lightning, and it's going to start to the north and work to the south. But remember, there could be an isolated storm here and there through tomorrow afternoon. Here's a snapshot at 11 a.m. A few little spotty showers, a partly cloudy sky, almost a repeat of today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Our forecast guidance really wants to pick up on those isolated storms in the Tennessee Valley region. Wouldn't be surprised to see one as far south as Jefferson County or Tuscaloosa County tomorrow afternoon. But then we'll shift our focus up here into Tennessee and look at this mess of intense thunderstorms. All of this that's up here around Nashville and Clarksville and Jackson north of I-40 is going to come blasting to the south through the overnight hours. And although the timeline here shows 8 a.m. with these storms getting south of Birmingham, I think there's a pretty good chance they'll be here about the time the sun comes up if they're still rolling along. At some point, they're going to run out of gas. So a complex of heavy rain and storms moves in after midnight tomorrow night into Thursday morning. So remember, we're talking more than 24 hours in the future here. Some storms could be severe with damaging winds and hail. The greatest risk of severe weather is up in Middle Tennessee. And again, those storms will be weakening as they move to the south. There's your timeline, Wednesday night through early Thursday morning. And then we may see a few more thunderstorms developing Thursday afternoon and evening. Those will be along a cold front, and as that front passes, it gets a lot nicer for Friday and Saturday and most of the day Sunday. Humidity will be lower. We'll see lows in the 50s over the weekend, but then as humidity starts to increase again Sunday and Monday, isolated showers and a few storms creep back into the forecast. You're watching WVTM 13 News.